expression of a deep and serious concern shared by most Kenyans, that the current governance culture continues to sideline the majority, that there is massive misuse of public resources, and that the response to questioning or honest civic expression is now being met with brutal hostility. The space for alternative or dissenting views, for dialogue and accommodation is shrinking quickly. It is in this light that we, as your shepherds, are compelled to speak out in the spirit of truth, compassion, and justice as follows. 1. The increasing disregard for human life and dignity. We are deeply concerned about the growing devaluation of human life in our country. The cases of mysterious disappearances, extrajudicial killings, and violent intimidation have become too common.
Jodolo go koro kwayo sirkal mondo miyo ne ochiw arita makare ne jong'anyo kanyakla kod chiwo thuolo ne rowere mag Gen Z mondo miyo bag ng'anyo mamuol e pacho kae maonge chochni mora mora.
As we remember those who died in the protests of 2024, we pray for those young souls. They should not have lost their lives, yet we cannot bring them back. It is fair to give them a fitting memorial. Young people, we appeal to you to avoid any violent encounters during your protests and instead demonstrate your maturity. We call on the security agents to ensure we do not have a repeat of the protected goons who brought violence in the recent protests. How can goons work together with the police? We demand justice for all those murdered and those shot, and conviction of all the perpetrators. These tragedies, on the other hand, should not be exploited by political operators to gain mileage, gathering around the mourners of victims only to deliver personal advertisements while offering no relief or solutions.
Bende jodolo medo kwayo rowere mag Gen Z mondo miki kiyie mondo ti kodgi kod josiasa yo marach ka bende gichwalo ng'ur margi ne piny owacho. Koloso kod nyakalondo mar Ramogi, jadolo Henry Ondeje mar Nomiya Church okwayo rowere mondo mi obag ng'anyo yo mamuol kendo kigiyie mondo jonjore